Introducing Berkeley Humanoid Lite, an open-source, accessible and customizable 3D printed humanoid robot. Weighing just 16 kilograms, the robot features 6 degrees of freedom in its legs and 5 degrees of freedom in its arms. All components are available from major online vendors. The joint actuators incorporate 3D printed cycloidal gearboxes that are designed for rapid manufacturing, straightforward assembly, and simple repair. To showcase the robot's versatility, we have developed a teleoperation setup utilizing the Steam VR tracking system. This system allows for intuitive control regardless of the user's orientation. Operators can disengage and re-engage the teleoperation mode at any time for fine-grained adjustments. We have also developed a custom software interface for teleoperation. Now we demonstrate the capability of the robot by performing a series of manipulation tasks. It can collect blocks into a container, rotate a Rubik's Cube, unboxes and repacks electronic components, and even writes its own initials, BHL, on a piece of paper. Finally, we demonstrate the robot's locomotion capabilities in a bipedal configuration. It is able to track users' specified velocity commands. All the hardware and software stack are open-sourced and can be accessed from the link in the video description. We hope this initiative will help democratize the development of humanoid robotics.